Hey there guys, how's it going? It's Michal from Mala for Fun, and today's quick review will be about the 1:72 scale Sukhoi Su-35S Flanker E from Greywall Hobby. Quick technical data to the Su-35. The Sukhoi Su-35 is a multi-role Russian 4++ generation fighter capable of very high maneuverability thanks to the thrust vector and jet nozzles. It's based on the famous Su-27, but it's a completely new aircraft with new electronics, avionics and weapon systems. Alright, let's unbox. Let's check what's inside. And the kit includes water slide decals, which are absolutely amazing. I will come to that later. Photo etch parts, detailed 3D printed instruction manual, camouflages, and 15 plastic sprues out of harder gray plastic and one from a clear plastic. Alright, let's check them out. So, what can I say about the moldings? When I first opened the box, I was absolutely amazed by the details of the panel lines and the riveting. I think the Greywall Hobby brand did an absolutely amazing job on this. The nice cool feature that I like about this kit is the fuselage and the wings are molded together, so there is no problem with any gaps. Another surprise are the flaperons and leading edges are separated, so you can glue them in a straight or a lower position. Also, I like these small antennas on the end of the wings. Next, we have a very nice detail of the landing gear base and the covers. Next, let's check out the cockpit. Here are the parts of the cockpit. The cockpit is very detailed. I think if you want, in my opinion, if you want to upgrade it with your own resin or photo etch cockpit, it's on you. But I think this model deserves to be built completely out of the box. Next, here you have the landing gear, main landing gear, which are very nicely detailed. There are no hydraulic hoses, so maybe I will make a small upgrade on them. The wheels are very nicely molded. Quick on the other moldings. Here we have the vertical and horizontal stabilizers, the lower part of the fuselage and the leading edges. The jet nozzles, which you can build in an open or a closed position, and also folded position, because the thrust vectoring jet nozzles. Here are the parts of the jet nozzles. Another cool feature that this kit has, you can open the radar cone and install a radar. And you have options with the end of the wings, so you can equip the model with the hard points for the R-73 missiles, or you can switch it into the ECM electronic countermeasure Hibini box. Next, we have some missiles. We have the R-27ER radar guided missile and the ET infrared missile. Here we have the air intakes, the R-77 missile and the R-73 missiles and some hardpoints. The radar cone and parts of the landing gear base, and the other part of the jet nozzles. The clear parts are from two separate parts, so you can open the cockpit. Here we have some lights for the landing gear. Alright, so let's check out come on. Let's check out the camouflages. This box includes camouflages for 3 aircraft. 2 of those are in this beautiful light dark blue gray camouflage, and 1 is in this gunship gray light blue camouflage. Here we have the 3D printed instruction manual. They did a very good job on this. Every step is very good, readable and easy to follow. There's no problem in here. And let's talk about the decals. Alright, these decals are for the left and right side of the aircraft. There are also decals for the radar and the bottom side of the aircraft. Here we have the numbers for each airplane, the nice red stars. Also we have the decals for each missiles, the R-73. These are the I think it's I don't know, R-77, R-27 and Hibini pods, wingtips. These are some jammers or something. Alright, and we have the decals for the cockpit. Okay, I think that's enough for this review. What can I say? Well, I am amazed. But I will give this kit a 9 out of 10 because it's very, very expensive. But I recommend it for all modelers who likes Russian jets and who wants to have a Sukhoi in his collection. For this price, I expected more like a pilot figure or a tow bar or a ladder or some wheel chocks instead, but I think it's enough. Well, if I forgot something, please let me know in the comments. And one more thing, now I'm working on a tank project, and then I will build the F-14 Tomcat, but I'm still waiting for the photo etch parts for the MiG-25, so instead of the MiG-25 I will build this one. I hope you're not mad at me. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope we see you next time. Bye.